My final question, Nilesh bhai, would be around exporting themes. I know you mentioned that some of the manufacturing itself will lead to exports as well. What about services? I mean, IT services is split right down the middle when it comes to people having a view on whether they'll withstand the dreaded R word in the US, or will they succumb to pricing pressures and margin issues? You have seen this industry go through various cycles. What's your sense about this one?
So right now there are two pressures on IT. One is business side from a growth point of view and margin point of view. And second, from valuation point of view. Valuation wise, Facebook today is a value stock, now called Meta. They are trading in half of, let's say, large Indian IT companies. Even the more profitable giants like Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Google, they are trading around or marginally below large Indian IT companies' valuation. Now, unless until those companies get re-rated, it is unlikely that Indian IT companies will be able to sustain above their valuation for a long period of time. We can do it for a week or month, but we can't do it for a year. So we'll have to look at global valuation of IT companies to compare with Indian IT companies. The second thing is more fundamental, business and margin. Our feeling is that even in the unlikely scenario of a US recession, we are not disputing that US growth will slow down. All we are stating is that there is a reasonably good chance that US may not dip into recession. The slowing growth scenario will push companies to incur productive expenditure, improve efficiency. And today, digital spending, technology spending will be one way to improve your efficiency and competitiveness. So from a business point of view, I don't really foresee too much challenges. And even if challenges come, it will be temporary. A second half of the movie will soon start with central banks trying to support growth. The real challenge for Indian companies will be on margin. For almost 10 years, we were able to keep entry-level salary at the same level. Now, engineers are in demand. You need to pay them well. Will you be able to pass cost push to the customers, especially when they themselves could be under slowing growth? My feeling is that barring few companies, most IT companies will probably take a hit on the margin in order to maintain growth. And hence, you'll have to really value IT companies from three prisms: business, margin, and global valuation. In that overall background, we think mid and small cap IT companies have some more downside. Large cap IT companies, by and large, should become market performer from here onwards.